What up, gang? Boo 617, and welcome back to the channel. So today I just got my new belt in the mail. I'm a little excited because I've been waiting for about a week now. It's actually gonna be my first CCW belt, and we're gonna compare it to a regular belt. We're gonna unbox it and review it. Let's do it. All right, let's get right to it. This is what you get in the mail: a regular schmegular belt, regular schmegular box. No marketing on it, no logos on it. The only thing it did have is the sticker, the shipping sticker with my information, so I took that off before. Piece of tape that I already sliced open. This will be my first time opening it, so I don't know what to expect in here, so let's do it. Okay, oh wait a minute, we do have a logo inside, Core Essentials logo. All right, so what do we have here? Instruction manual, the buckle itself. I think it was supposed to be in there. It did not come in there, but it is what it is. This looks like it's the strap to hold the excess of the belt and the belt itself. All right, so let's get rid of the box. And let's take the belt out of this plastic. Let's see what all the fuss is about with these belts. Okay, I see the difference. Definitely thicker in all aspects, in like from here and the thickness. It's a thick boy. They got the rail. Like a nylon material, and then the inside is not nylon. It's actually something else, which is I don't know what material this is, but it's soft. It almost gives me the vibe of like leather, but like a synthetic leather almost, if that makes any sense to anybody, but that's the best way I can describe it offhand. Let's look at the buckle. So this particular buckle is the X5. This is the one that I wanted. I ordered this directly from the Core website because on Amazon they did not have the X5s at all. They only had the X7s. A lot of people do like the X7s because I believe it's the newer model. It's newer than the X5, but it's smaller, so they like that low profile. I wanted something to kind of mimic what I wear on a normal day, and this is kind of like the size of a belt buckle that I would normally wear. Okay, so these are the teeth that bite into the belt once we get to that. All right, this is the thing that clamps onto the rail. I call it thing because I don't even, the clamp or whatever you want to call it, that is gonna clamp onto this. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide this in. Obviously we gotta take these screws out or loosen them to be able to slide it in all the way in, because it's, you could see they are screwed in. All right, so basically put it in. We're gonna clamp the teeth down, then tighten these up. Let's see how this okay, satisfying. Oh yeah, it's nice. Got it. It's like a matte black. So we are gonna end up cutting this to size. Now the instructions say that if you're, whatever your size is, you gotta cut 4 inches more. So like for example, if you're a 40, you're gonna cut into a 44. If you're a 44, you're gonna cut into a 48. So let me, I don't know if you could see the numbers here. So basically it's kind of dummy proof. So if you're a 30, we're gonna come all the way down. See 30 here? You're not gonna cut 30, you're gonna go up to 34, you're gonna cut 34, and that's gonna be your length. All right, so we're gonna end up cutting this to size, and then we're gonna try it, and then if it does not fit to my size, or just continue to cut. So they say, you know, it's better to cut long than short because you can't add, but you can always cut. All right, because I'm a little scared, I'm gonna cut at 46, because remember, I am going to be concealing a weapon, and it's a full size as well. Somebody took my good scissors, and these are not cutting through very efficiently. It's gonna end up breaking my scissors. It's tough stuff, man. Sheesh. It's starting to hurt. Alright, let's see. Ooh, it's tough. Why not have anybody in the snow? I don't, so it's just going. Look at the material inside. What is that? It's like a piece of wood. It's not a piece of wood, but it looks like it. Whew. Almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there. And come on, there you go. Whew. All right, now I'm gonna take my hardware. Got the Allen key. I'm gonna loosen this up a little bit. Now, I definitely recommend getting some blue Loctite for these, but I don't have any now, so I'll just clamp it on now and then use some blue Loctite on it when I buy some. So take these pretty much all the way out. Whoa, not that much. Too much, my friend, too much. Nah, forget it, I'll take them all out. All right, and then what we're gonna do is slide this all the way in like so. Clamp down on the teeth of the buckle like so, and then put the screws on. But before I put the screws on, I'm gonna test this on myself just to make sure that it's not too long, and if it is, I'll just keep cutting. All right, guys, so I just tried it out, and it is big, but I don't mind that access. I don't mind the excess amount of belt that I have left. So let's put these screws on. Now, if it ends up being that it's too long and the excess belt bothers me for any reason, then I'll just cut more. But this is pretty good, and plus we have this here to hold the excess down. So tighten these up nice and good, nice and good. Great. That's not coming. That's not going anywhere. Now, let me show you guys something really quick. This is my belt, right? This is my everyday leather belt that I use every single day. Now, look how flimsy this is. You know, compared. Like, I don't see it, but I'm really putting some strength into that. It's super. Not only that, let me show you guys something. Let me take this out. This clear, nothing in there. Okay. So this is my full-size Canik Mete SFT, right? With the factory holster. And I put it on this belt. Look at this, how flimsy that is. Better yet, let me show you like this. Then I come out. Look at that, like. All right, let me put the core. See the difference. All right, this is the core with the same gun setup. I mean, I'm literally going further out. I mean, let me put it towards the middle. This is solid. So this is what it's all about. Let me show you guys how it feels and looks. Well, I can't show you how it feels, but basically, because it's so stiff, I gotta put it in first, right? And then put this in the first loop, because if not, once I click it in, I won't be able to get it into this first loop. So all the way in, get it comfortable. You see, this is what I was talking about. But I'm gonna put the little elastic thing on. That's gonna help bring it down. Let me do that now. All right. So now got this little doohickey on, right? Put it through the hoop. Adjust it to where I want. Then I grab the little hoop and put it over the excess of the belt. And that holds it super tight in there, and that's it. Cool, right? Now, let me get my holster, slide it in. This is the first time you're doing this, by the way. With this belt. That's how it feels compared. Grab my pistol. Oh yeah, it definitely feels a lot more secure than the other belt for sure. Now, obviously it prints right here, but remember, this holster is the one that comes with the pistol, so it doesn't have that retention wing that pretty much pushes the handle into my stomach. But I'm ordering that, and once I get that, it'll be a lot more concealable. Mind you, also this is a full size. I also got my Hellcat, which is a micro. You never know I got that on me. But all in all, feels awesome. Nice and stiff, it doesn't move. Mind you, the retention on this holster is pretty tight. Yeah, pretty good. From the piece that I took off, you can kind of, I mean, look what's inside. This is, if I can focus this good. It's like, got the outside layer, that nylon type of material. Then you got something else that's hard in the middle, which is small. You see that little gray piece? Then you got the brown piece. And then you got this layer. So there's like four layers that I can see. It could be 5, but probably 4. Has 6 stitches. I mean, this is very well made. This is very well made. That's pretty much it, guys. Tell me what you think. What gun belt are you running? Do you guys got the cores? If you do, let me know. I'll do another video on the review on how it's going a few months from now. See how it's holding up, and I'll let you guys know. Pool 607, we out.